Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and Windows 11 has a Bluetooth problem, okay? And I'm going to show you. So sometimes the Bluetooth device disconnects and reconnects, things like that, so on and so forth, right? So if you notice that, your Bluetooth device isn't being detected or not working at all, right? Go to your bottom right of your computer, right? And okay, if you don't see your Bluetooth at all, that's the first step. That's the problem, okay? We need to figure out why your Bluetooth device is not working. All right? But that's a whole nother thing. That's okay, so if you don't see your Bluetooth device here, restart your computer. First step. Restart your computer, come back. If it shows, good. If it doesn't, okay, you can do a couple things. So you can go to type in services, okay, on your Windows 11. Okay, it's gonna show up here. Make sure you have admin rights, but then you're gonna go to your Bluetooth service. You're gonna make sure it's running. Okay, so basically, Bluetooth needs to run when your computer starts. Everything is like your computer is like a, I don't know, it's like a brain. It's like a car, if one part doesn't start and like your starter is not starting with the Bluetooth John for the car, like for your computer, it's not gonna work. So right click it, you know what I'm saying? Restart it. Okay. Right click it, restart it. Right click it, restart it. All three devices, Bluetooth user support, Bluetooth support service, and Bluetooth audio gateway. Restart all of them. Okay. And then see if it turns back on. Or restart, then see if it turns back on. If it's saying that it doesn't turn on automatically, right click on it. Okay. Go to properties, right? And then go to startup type from manual to automatic. So it starts up automatically. Okay. So hit that, hit apply, then okay, try that from there. You may need admin rights, but for the most part, run them all automatically if possible. Okay. If you're not able to, then that one did it, but so on and so forth. Just make sure they run automatically. There may be some things in the background that don't allow. I don't know what this. I might be getting hacked, but anyway, these two have them on automatically, and it will show on the startup type on the right. Okay, so back to it. So now it appears now for you, right? But it's still disconnect and reconnect for you. Okay, go back to the Bluetooth devices here. All right, and then turn it off and turn it back on. Okay, that should make your device restart and turn it back on. Okay, your device should work, should go back on automatically. Depends on the device. Like my Beats, it does it. But some devices you have to turn off and you have to turn on. Like you have to tap it, disconnect. All right, now my headset is disconnected, right? Okay. So now it's like you have to actually tap on it to get it to connect again. And it's okay. You might have to scroll down to the devices down here because sometimes the device goes down. It sorts from lowest to highest. I don't know. But click on it again, connect it, and now it's connected again back to my headset. I heard it. It's going to connect. Wait for it. All right, now it connected. All right, boom. If hitting it didn't make it connect again, that means you need to delete the device, and re-add the device. Okay. So if you need to do that, go to the Bluetooth settings. Okay. Matter of fact, scratch all that. Go to Device Manager. Okay. Let's go to Device Manager from the Start menu. And so this is going to delete. Okay. And this is another thing. If you don't see Bluetooth in your driver settings, okay, that's another problem, okay, for another day. But if you don't see Bluetooth here, that means your Bluetooth driver, like your Bluetooth device, hardware device, might be broken, like inside of your computer, because this should have all your Bluetooth devices here. So anyway, so you're gonna hit it, right, and you're gonna see all your Bluetooth devices here. If my Beats didn't come back on, I'm gonna right click on it and I'm going to uninstall device. That's what you're going to do, right? And if you don't see it here for some strange reason, okay, you're going to go to view, you're going to show hidden devices, and then it should show. Sometimes the disconnected devices doesn't show on device manager until you show the hidden. So it's hidden because it's not connected. So you go back to it, you enable the hidden, and then you go back to it, you uninstall device. Okay, and then you have to add it back to Bluetooth again. So put it on pairing mode, and then go to the settings. on your Bluetooth settings here, go to more settings, and then you're gonna have to add, the device back depending on what it is. So go back to your Bluetooth settings, add device, go to Bluetooth, or go to everything else depending on what kind of headset you have, and it should reconnect, and then it should start working again. All right. Like I said, Windows 11 has Aki drivers for Bluetooth. Okay, so definitely mess around with it like that. I have another video that also has like a crackling sound, so definitely check that out. And push come to shove, you may have to download drivers for your computer. And if you need to download drivers, just type in your computer's name, okay, and then put drivers after it. And you could type in your computer's name again, put drivers, and then put Bluetooth drivers. Put Bluetooth right next to drivers, and it should be there. For example, you're gonna go to mine's is like Samsung Galaxy Ultra Book 4 drivers. All right. I just searched that up here. Right, it's gonna pop up. I don't know why Edge showed up. Okay, yeah, drivers are right here. Now, all right, Samsung drivers are weird. So this is probably the worst one, but you put Bluetooth in, it will do it. Your computer should already have it, but yeah, Samsung drivers, please don't get me started. But anyway, yeah, just do that. All right, let's get it. Let's go. If this video is helpful, please leave a thumbs up and let's go. Peace.